Today we will learn how to use Google Meet in Google Classroom. First of all, open your Google Classroom app. You will see all your classrooms over there. Okay? Now what you have to do is select the classroom which we want to open a meeting. For example, I am choosing this phonics, senior KG phonics. Now on the top right you will see a settings button like a gear. Okay, over here, click on that. Now under settings you will see about, general. Now come to meet video link, which is shown as none. You can see 3 dots over here, so click on the 3 dots. It will show create video call. Click on create video call. Now you will see a link. A meet video link has been created. Now what you do is firstly save this. Go to top right and see this green button on top. Yes, click on the save. Now see, earlier left side of the gear button, the settings, there was nothing. Now there is a video icon come over there. So you click on the icon. Click on this. Once you click on this, it will open into the app, Google Meet app. Now what you have to do is, firstly you see this join button. Click on the join button. Once you click on the join button, you will see the share invite blue button over here. Now to share this link, you will have to click on this blue color button. You will get a set of options: WhatsApp, Classroom. Wherever you want to share this link for students to join in, you can click on it. Now firstly we will click the Classroom. It will open to share to Classroom, and below that you are seeing the name of the classroom over here. So when you click on that, you will get a list of all your classrooms. You have to go and select the classroom. Now we want to invite students of phonics, so select phonics. Once you do that, click on make announcement, and then under share with your class, this tab, you have to type in a message, like you have to inform the students, given information that they have to click on this link to join the meeting or class. So you can type, students kindly click the link, the below link to join the meeting, or you can say class, or you can tell which class you are going to teach or what that. Once you do that, you can see the triangle on top, the arrow, right arrow over here. So you have to click on that. Once you click on that, it will post to that particular class. Okay, that is done. Now you will want to share also to your WhatsApp group, the class group, or to any student. So you click on the WhatsApp. Now you select which class you want to select to share to. You can select any teacher or any class group. Once you do that, click on the arrow, and then now for example I am selecting this teacher. Now it will type in, it will come as a message. Now what you do is, first you remove all this extra information to join by phone. This is only for the US. So this you select and you delete it. We require only this link, meet link, and you send it. Now it has gone to the teacher or whichever class you have selected to. Now once you have done this, it's completed, and students, when they click on it, they will join in, and you can admit them into the meeting. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.